Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to get the gel out of the cattail plant. This is a cattail plant, grows really high with the brown thing on the end. Well, this is the beginning of the season, so it's just like this. So you cut it really, really low to the ground, and you peel off the first 2 layers of leaf. 1 leaf came off, and then you take the gel out. See this gel here? This is an antiseptic. It's really powerful stuff. It's survival medicine for in the woods. Watch this, guys. Check that one out. Loaded. So all you do is you put this into a glass container, and I've been working with it for a few years, and I've noticed if I keep it in the fridge with a paper bag, in a glass container with a paper bag around it, it lasts for about 9 months. Look at this. So I used this on someone that had skin cancer on their head, and the skin cancer came right off. I had like 6 little skin tags on my chest, and I put them on, and they came off. They all fell off within like 2 days. This stuff heals up cuts and infections. It takes infections right out. Pretty powerful stuff. So that's all you do, guys, and you can use this. It's like I said, it's the first 2 leaves that the gel is in. After that, you're getting down to just the stalk itself. But you can see from just that one, I got a lot. Usually I don't get that much. These ones were really good. So I hope you guys go out and harvest some of this cattail gel and stick it in your fridge. If you have like a bug bite or any skin irritation, you put this on and it cools it right down. If you had like a toothache or anything with your gums, you put on your gums and it actually nummifies, it numbs it. Yeah, pretty good stuff. Alright guys.